Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the ChatGPT keyboard shortcut on PC or desktop. So the ChatGPT desktop app lets you open the chat bar instantly using a keyboard shortcut that you have set. So you don't have to click the app icon every time to ask something. So if the current shortcut is difficult to remember or conflict with other app, or maybe if it doesn't suit the way you work, you can simply change it to a different key combination. This allows you to choose a shortcut that feels more comfortable and fits your workflow. So to change it, first open ChatGPT and then click on the ChatGPT button in the menu bar. After that, choose settings. Now here in the ChatGPT settings page, scroll a bit and here you can see keyboard shortcut in chat bar section. Right to keyboard shortcut, you can see the shortcut you have set before. Press the cross button to remove the previous shortcut and now press the new key combination you want to use on your keyboard. And ChatGPT will instantly save the new shortcut and that's it. So from now on, whenever you want ChatGPT chat bar will appear on your screen, you can simply press the chat bar shortcut key that you have set currently and it will instantly appear. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.